everyone, welcome back to Makeup Obsessions YouTube channel. My name is Rachel Seeley, aka Ukafrolista, and today we are playing in the So Dope collection. What's really good about the new So Dope range is that it's infused with cannabis sativa oil, which has skin calming and moisturizing properties. The three products I'll be using are the So Dope Nourishing Essence Spray, So Dope Shadow Palette, and the So Dope Makeup Fixing Spray. All the items that I'll be using in today's video are available at revolutionbeauty.com and Boots. Make sure you hit the description box down below so you can check out everything that I've used in this video. Then I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful eyeshadow look using the So Dope Shadow Palette. So let's get started. First I'm going to spritz my face using the So Dope Nourishing Essence Spritz with CBD. What is great about this, it helps to refresh and moisturize your skin, and you can use it throughout the day. So say you're getting a bit dry or you need a bit of a boost, you can spray this throughout the day. You can see all of the like juiciness is brought to my skin. I'm going to move on to the eyes, so I'm going to bring you a bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I have never worn green eyeshadow before. I'm a bit nervous, but at the same time I'm very excited to see what kind of look I can create using this So Dope shadow palette. I'm going to use the Makeup Obsession Mega Concealer in the shade 14 as a base, just to create an even base so your eyeshadow is even, and it can also help prevent creasing. I'm going to start with the shade Baked in my crease. So difficult because I love all the colours in this palette, so I'm trying to decide which colour to go for. I'm going to go for the colour 420 on my lid. Ooh. That is so pretty. I'm just going to blend it up into my crease. Or even when the two colours mix together, it creates like this light green. It's really nice. I'm going to use the shade Smoke, and this is a very nice deep green. I think I'm gonna go for like a smoky halo effect. I want it to be smoky, but I don't want it to look harsh, so I'm just focusing really on blending it out so it's not so harsh on the eye. Key for me when it comes to the smoky eye is to work in layers, because you can't lighten something that's already dark. You can only darken something that's already light. So I can keep adding and adding to the depth of it as I go along. But if I pack on the colour straight away, then I'm not really in control of how dark I want the eye to be. So that's why I'm working in layers and just blending and then adding more if I need to. Colour next. So I think I'm going to blend the shade Hemp into... Ooh, that is nice. I wasn't ready for that. So I'm just going to blend this in to the center and just mix it and see what kind of colour and tones it creates. This is so pretty. I'm just going to blend these two together so it's not just a block of colour. Add a mix of Grass and Mood to the inner corner, moving it to the center. And this is going to give like a gradient of green, because I'm loving all the different types of greens. Oh, that is so... These are such pretty colours. I'm loving how that looks. And then I'm going to add Mood more to the inner of the eye. Bring some light to that area. I am loving this, absolutely loving this. Do a bit of an eye cleanup. I'm going to apply my base, do my brows, and then come off and finish this eye look. I'm excited. So I'm going to take a bit of Smoke just to slightly blend and smoke it out a bit more, because when I did my cleanup I made it a bit too harsh. So I just want to soften it up a bit on the edges. And then take a bit of Baked that I first used in my crease and blend that all out. So nothing looks harsh, it just looks really nicely blended and soft. Take smoke and just blend it down to about halfway on my lower lash line. Apply a little bit more of Mood on the inner corner. And then I'm going to take a little bit of High and dab that in there as well. I am absolutely loving this green. Why did I not wear more green eyeshadow? This is so pretty. I'm going to put some lashes and then show you the final look. To finish the look, I'm going to use the So Dope Makeup Fixing Spray with Cannabis Sativa just to lock everything in. Whew. Yes. This is the final eye look. I'm in absolute love with this So Dope palette. I have never worn green eyeshadows like this before, and I absolutely love the colours that the palette has. It also has some really nice brown shimmers in there as well, and some kind of like mixed neon greens. I just love it. Like, this inner corner eye green is popping. It's so pretty. I keep looking in the viewfinder because I just keep looking at my eyes like, okay. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you check the description box down below for all of the products that I use in today's video, which are available at revolutionbeauty.com and Boots. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a huge thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you never ever miss a video from Makeup Obsession. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, let me know down below, and also make sure you tag Makeup Obsession in all of your eye makeup looks using the So Dope palette. Until next time, guys, bye.